Hey, Captain John here. We're out on American Lake today, and I'm in my North River Scout, and we've made a couple changes to it, and we're kind of working out the bugs and doing some testing. But one of the biggest changes is we repowered. So Kitsap Marina just finished a repower on this, so we're out testing the motors out. So let's start with the main motor here. We've got a 150 Mercury. It's a four-cylinder, 4-stroke, 4-cylinder. It's kind of a nice setup. You got the big tiller on it, and if I turn it on, you can actually hear I can move it. It's power steering. It's really nice. So back just a little bit. You can raise your gear. You got an RPM control over here. You can see it won't move at all unless you touch the end of the grip. So when you're running, it's really nice. Just 2-finger control. Really sweet. Gear shift right here. The starter's right over here. You got a handle for your motor. You can set your tilt wherever you want on your handle. You know, so it doesn't fall down. Really nice. Quiet motor. Let me fire right up for you. You can see, real quiet, real smooth shifting. I can control the RPM, bring it up or down. You know, works out really well. So it's kind of a sweet little deal for that. And then again, you know, like I said, if you want to turn it, you just got to turn on the power, grab it, and it easily moves with the power steering pump. So kind of holds it, takes all that torque out of it. You know, I've been really happy. I got the 225s on my big boat. Now I got a 150, and then I also put a Pro Kicker 15 horse on here. As you can see right now, it's trolling in low speed. I got it locked in there, and we're actually running on the trolling motor in front to steer with. But this is just providing a little bit extra power in the back. Again, really quiet. Same kind of deal. You got a handle here. You can actually adjust your handle wherever you want it. It locks in place. You know, tilt sitting right here. Easy to do. It has an auto straightening deal, so when it comes up, it'll automatically align itself and bring it up straight. Really happy with Mercury. It's been really good. So it's been really a good repower. Can't say enough about it. The boat performs really well. Maybe just a little too well. It does go a little fast now. So we, you know, on these kind of boats, you don't really need to get that high end. But man, I'll tell you what, I just can't say enough good things about it. So really, really fun. Nice to have good stuff that works, and you know, you don't have to worry.
There are people who know that there's more to getting there than just getting there. Who know that going fast isn't fast enough, and who know living isn't the same as feeling alive. They're people who aren't afraid to stand out, make noise, make waves, and never look back. This one's for them. The Mercury 115 horsepower and 150 horsepower Pro XS Outboards. Built to win tournaments. Designed to win your heart. Mercury, go boldly.
Okay, so we're gonna head back in. Gave the motor a pretty good little break-in, tested it out today. So thought might want to see what it does. Getting it on plane here, how quiet it runs. Up just a little bit. Getting ready.